Hey guys, welcome back to the Shimmer Tales. Hope you all are doing well. So my today's video is going to be about the Jaclyn Hill Ride or Die Challenge. So Jaclyn Hill created this Ride or Die Challenge where she has asked us to pick up the best makeup products, our most favorite makeup products from our entire collection, which we would carry to a deserted island or area, right? So it was the most difficult thing for me because being a makeup junkie and a lipstick lover especially, picking up the best makeup products is like really something very tough for me. So yeah, I have all my makeup products in this, which I'm going to be showing you all one by one, and these are the best ones I would carry with me or I would ride with. So let me begin showing you all what all I have in this. So the first thing on top of my list is the MAC's foundation. This is the Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC25, and this is my second bottle. My first one was not even half done and it broke. So literally my heart broke into pieces seeing the foundation just slither on the floor. So I had to repurchase this one, and this is the best foundation ever. So this is my favorite, and followed by the Fit Me concealer. Oh my god, I have been obsessed with concealers, like, you know, and from when I've been using the Fit Me one, I am just in love with this one, and I'm almost gonna be done with this, and I'm going to repurchase one more. So it's that good. So I love this one. And for the highlighter, I'm going to be carrying the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Highlighter. Oh my god, look at this shade. It's so gorgeous, and it's in the shade Aura, and I am totally in love with this, and it's beautiful. So I love this highlighter a lot. And coming to the bronzers, I am obsessed with the NYX bronzer in the shade Light. And this is how it looks like. It's very natural and gives the perfect finish. It doesn't look like you've really contoured. It looks very, very natural. So I'm in love with this one. Coming to the liquid lipsticks, I am in love with MAC's Forever Darling. You all must have known this by now, that this is my perfect definition of red. The perfect red is really nice. It stays on your lips throughout the day, and you do not really need a touch up at all. It's that nice, and this is like the best liquid lipstick ever. Followed by my compact, which is the Maybelline Dream Satin Compact. This is so good, so good. I almost finished this. You know, I've been using it so bad that it's almost like, you know, that. And this is really nice. It sets in really well, and especially when you actually you know, need to set your makeup in after applying the concealer, this is the perfect one for that. Coming to lipsticks, I am in love with my you know, with the shade 138 from Chanel. It's a perfect pink shade, and it's called Forgive Ease. I cannot even think of pronouncing these, and it's called Forgive Ease. It's in the shade 138, and I love the packaging as well. It's so beautiful, right? Like, it's just like a bullet, and you got to pull it out like that and use it. So this is the best. And for the eyeshadows, and you know, I'm going to choose just one palette, and that's the Tartelette In Bloom palette. I am, you know, so in love with nude shades that this feels like the perfect palette. You do not even have to put in a lot of effort to blend the makeup, as it's that buttery and that blendable. So it has all the perfect shades to even create a nice smoky eye, and, you know, a nice golden shade here, and really, really pretty colors which make it look very natural. So this is my dream palette, and I'm totally in love with this. And for the mascara, I've, you know, had a lot of mascaras, but off late I've been using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara, and it looks like you put falsies on. It's that good. So I'm in love with this one, and I cannot leave this. So this is my favorite. And another lipstick that I really love is the Urban Decay shade in Menace. Yeah, this is my new lipstick, and I love how it looks like. Isn't it so beautiful? I'm totally in love with this, and it's very close to MAC's Flat Out Fabulous, but this is more matte. It's super matte, and it's beautiful. It's such a perfect shade. And for the eyeliner, I'm gonna carry the PAX pencil eyeliner. This is super jet black. Like, I cannot even find a darker black than this. It's that good, and you can even create a slight smoky eye with this because of its smudging brush in the end. So this is really the perfect eyeliner for me. And for the blush, I cannot leave the Makeup Revolution's Vivid Blush Lacquer. This is a liquid blush, and just a little would actually be sufficient to, you know, make your cheeks look really beautiful pink. And I'm totally in love with this. It has a nice pump like this, and you just need just one, you know, tiny bit of it on your cheeks to blend it out. And I love this blush, and it's so beautiful, so beautiful, and you can see how beautiful the color is. So I really love this. And of course, I cannot forget my YBP Beauty Blender, because I really remember so well that throughout my trip I was just using this, and I didn't have to look for other brushes because this blended so well. So I love this. This is on top of my list. You know, I cannot even choose any other brush, you know, to replace this. It's that nice. So I love this one. And another lipstick is the NYX shade in number 07, the Addis Ababa shade. And oh my god, this is the perfect hot pink shade, and this is on top of my list again. So hope you guys liked all my products that I would pick up from my makeup stash. I know it's so difficult for all we makeup lovers to do that, and choosing these out of so many more was the toughest thing for me. And yeah, so these were my products. So if you have created your video like this, or you have listed out your products, do mention it in the comments below. I'd love to know. And do subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Hope you guys liked watching this video. Stay tuned for many more, and do subscribe. Bye. So today my video is a little different from the routine ones. It's about women's hygiene, and I personally faced a lot of issues when I was traveling, and I didn't really want to use washrooms outside here because especially in India they do not maintain a lot of cleanliness when it comes to washrooms. And you know, especially on road trips and all, it's really difficult, you know, to go use washrooms anywhere. And because of that, I avoided using washrooms even at, you know, movie theaters and anywhere else, you know, because I've faced a lot of issues while traveling. And you know, the urinary infection is actually very painful. It's really bad, and it causes a lot of issues for women. So I wanted to basically take an initiative to do a video on these products that I discovered online.